Tampa is a lively waterfront city here in Florida. You've got outdoor activities, museums, fabulous nightlife, and Busch Gardens. World famous roller coasters, splash-filled water rides, and animal encounters. So no matter how old you are, this place is absolutely amazing. Busch Gardens Tampa Bay is such a fantastic experience. Cobra's Curse is a must. And if you don't mind getting wet, then the flume is wonderful. Wow, so I have had the best time here. It's just an incredible place. The roller coasters are amazing. Everything about this place is fantastic. I'm coming back with my family.